Hi, today I will be showing you the web application Scratch. Scratch is a great web application to use because it's a visual language programming for students 8 to 16 for beginners to learn about how to make projects or stories or games online. It helps them learn creativity and explore outside curriculum as well. So to start, you go to Create, and Scratch is a great thing because even if you're new, they have tutorials for every single thing, how to use a backdrop, how to add different kinds of sound. They also have templates, since it is a online web application. They have multiple things to look at to give you ideas on what you would like to make. So to start your sprite or your character, you can go and grab a block. In order to continue that code, you can add really anything. In order to have your programming to start, you must need a event block with the green, and that is how you make your character move. Another example is controls. Repeat 10 times, and then you can add a sound, let's say a meow sound. Now after clicking that, you can see it works. If you want to learn how to do a backdrop, you will go to choose a backdrop. We're just going to search one. Let's put them in a colorful city. And put them on the road. And he's walking through the little town. Now if you want to change your sprite's outfit, you can do any of these. I'm going to choose oh, wait. This is how you choose your character, sorry. And if you want to change your sprite's costume or outfit, you go to costumes. These are sounds if you want it to be faster, lower, softer, louder, slower. That is how you create a story or game. You can, let's see, operators, pick random 1 to 10. I'm not sure. There's the variables. Oh, I switched the sound to low. So these are all just the different types of codes. You can also make your own block by adding what you want it to be, a meow sound, or really anything. Let's go back to the main menu on Scratch. This is what it will take you to every time. To create your account, it is free, and all you have to do is put in your name and then just make up a password. And this is the Explore page I was talking about earlier. These are all of the different usernames from people that have made a project. Here are some ideas. These have a lot of the templates too. Here's the tutorials. Very, very helpful. So I really recommend Scratch for students just to get a better idea of computer programming, see if they want to go down that route too. It is a very fun thing to take your students out of the original direct learning process. Alright, thank you for watching.